Welcome to Plantation Bay Resort and Spa. Join us as we give you a glimpse of this amazing and unique resort here in Mactan Island, Cebu, and why it should be in your next travel bucket list here in the Philippines. Plantation Bay Resort and Spa is located about 30 minutes away by car from the Mactan Cebu International Airport and south of Mactan Island. A quick description that I would give is that the place is huge and offers a unique experience that only Plantation Bay can give. Room prices start around 9,000 pesos or around 160 US dollars for their cheapest room and go all the way up to 70,000 pesos or 1,200 US dollars for the private villas. Rooms are spacious and we were expecting the rooms to be kinda old since we were aware that Plantation Bay Resort is more than 2 decades old. But to our surprise, everything looks new and modern with Japanese-style toilets and USB charging outlets. Plantation Bay Resort and Spa has 3 huge saltwater lagoons situated in the middle of the resort. The West, East, and North saltwater swimming lagoons. There's also a kid-friendly lagoon named Children's Lagoon. In the middle of the resort is the freshwater swimming pool and Kilimanjaro Cafe. There's also several swimming pools scattered across the resort. Plantation Bay is massive, so getting around can be a bit of an adventure. One of the easiest ways to navigate the resort is by electric carts, which are similar to golf carts. You can call one anytime by pressing the call button available in each building, or by simply dialing 0 on your room phone. For those looking to explore at their own pace, bike rentals are also available. And if you're up for a workout, you can jog around the resort. The main road alone stretches around 800 meters, almost a full kilometer, making it perfect for a scenic run. Plantation Bay gives you a unique experience with their colonial-style plantation vibe. The rooms are spacious and well-equipped with modern amenities. Majority of the rooms that I see during our stay seem to have their own balconies, and the lagoon side room that we're staying in the building called the Nile has direct access to the lagoon. The bathroom is another noteworthy part of the room, as it's one of the most luxurious bathrooms from a resort accommodation that we had stayed in, complete with a Japanese-style toilet with electric bidet, a separate bathtub, and a shower. The internet connection is awesome as well, one of the fastest for a resort accommodation, and I was able to stream YouTube without any slowdown. Plantation Bay Resort and Spa offers an unparalleled range of facilities and activities inside this 11-hectare luxurious resort designed for relaxation and adventure. The main attraction would be their expansive saltwater lagoons, so huge that you can basically kayak in the lagoon. Each lagoon isn't that deep as well, averaging around 4 to 5 feet at most. There's also a beach-like area in the middle of the lagoons, complete with beach lounges and palm trees. In the evening, there's live music here, and during our stay, there's a jazz saxophone player that made our dip in the resort's freshwater lagoon more enjoyable. Here's more shots of the lagoon area and their Instagrammable wooden pathway that separates the lagoon in the middle. Here's an aerial view of the resort from the Plantation Bay Resort website. Yup, that's how huge Plantation Bay is. The resort also features a dedicated game room next to their gym. And outside the game room is the bike rack where you can borrow a bike and explore the resort at your own pace. Just down the road from the game room is the Savannah Park, where there are tons of activities for both kids and adults, including a tennis court, kids playground, mini golf range, wall climbing, and an indoor firing range. Next to the park is the Route 66 Diner and the Savannah Swimming Pool. There's a bird watching area as well, ATMs near the reception lobby, and several shops across the resort. There's a kid indoor playroom as well next to the Palermo restaurant. Aquasports facility near the beach area. Let's move on to the beach area of Plantation Bay Resort, and while it's okay, it's not as fine sand compared to other beaches. It's more of a pebbled sand, but you won't be staying in Plantation Bay for the beach anyways, as their saltwater lagoons are the highlight of the resort. There's a beach bar where you can order drinks, and the Fiji restaurant nearby where you can dine in their indoor and outdoor area. While we didn't do any aquasport related activities, Plantation Bay offers several activities like tours of nearby islands, aqua rides like parasailing and banana boats, and scuba diving. Aside from the Fiji restaurant, there's a couple more restaurants in the resort, and the main one, which is open 24 hours, is the Kilimanjaro Cafe. There's also the Palermo restaurant and the Route 66 Diner near the Savannah Park. Food is great across the resort, although prices are kinda on the higher end, costing around 400 to 800 pesos per meal. The in-room service is great as well, and even though the resort is huge, your order is delivered and served within 15 minutes, which I think is really fast. A must-try is their Japanese-inspired spa service, the Mogambo Springs, and the building itself is huge and just happens to be right in front of our building. Here's a quick glimpse of how awesome and relaxing this place is. You'll feel that you're in medieval Japan, which is an experience by itself. Another noteworthy mention is the Alien Abduction Bar. And during our stay, they also gave us free welcome drinks coupon that you can use at their Alien Abduction Bar. And yes, there's an alien head thingy here. Also, don't miss checking the mangroves in front of the resort entrance, as the resort helps with preserving the mangrove forest in the vicinity. Overall, we highly recommend Plantation Bay Resort, as the unique experience it offers is definitely worth its price. We're already looking forward to our next and longer stay in this nature-friendly and wonderful resort. If you like this video, please like and subscribe for more awesome travel videos. I'll be leaving you with more footage of our stay. Enjoy until the next video.